Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to create a slip knot and chain. You're going to want to take your yarn and the end and wrap it up over your fingers, down around underneath, and back up over the top. Then I like to hold the tail of my yarn between my middle finger and ring finger. You go underneath the one side of your X, over the top of the other side, and while still holding your tail, you want to pull it up. Then to adjust this is too big here, you'll want to slightly tighten it by pulling on the tail. But you still want to keep it loose where it can move up and down your hook. You don't want to tighten it too much. Okay, so I'll show that one more time. Take the tail of your yarn, wrap it up and over your two fingers. You want to make sure the tail's long enough so that when you go back up and over, you can hold that tail between your fingers, or like this. You go underneath this first strand of yarn, over the second, pull through. Okay, so we're pulling, holding onto the tail. This is your slip knot. So to start crocheting your chain, we need to tighten it, but so that it can still move up and down. So when I do my chain stitches or crochet, I like to loosely weave my yarn in between my fingers, and that helps with my tension. And then my pointer finger is kind of used as a lever. So I'm a righty, so I'm holding my crochet hook with my right hand. I have my yarn weaved through my fingers. My hook, the tip part of it here, is pointing to the right, and it's to the left of the yarn on top of it. So now we're going to want to move the hook to the right, going underneath it, and then we turn our hook to the left and we pull through. So that just created our first chain. So now we have our hook again. It's to the left of the yarn. We swoop underneath to the right. Turn your hook, now the point of it is to the left, and pull through. Okay, so we have two stitches here. So you go to the left, underneath, twist your hook, turn it to the left, and pull through. So now we have 3. And whatever pattern you're working on, it will tell you how many stitches, chain stitches that you need. So I'll just do a few more a little bit faster so you can see how it works up. And as I chain, I slowly move my hand up along the chain to hold the yarn every few stitches. Some other tips for when you're chaining are you don't want to pull it too tight. So you pull through, and you don't want to pull up on this and make this too tight, because then when you go to do your next row, you're going to be working through these chains, and it'll be hard to get your hook through, and it'll create your work to be all scrunched up on the bottom. So when you count your chains, you do not count what's attached to your hook here, and you do not count your slip knot. So right here, after your slip knot would be your first chain, second, third, fourth, and if I were to count all the way across, I get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this would be our last one right here. So if you would like to watch more crochet lessons, tutorials, and tips, please subscribe to my channel And if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button. Thank you.